Good morning. Thanks for tuning back into the channel. So day 2, Stone Lake entrance. I don't think the blokes had too big of a night last night. They did come and knock on the door. Text message from them. Now they're down there getting coffee. It's still pretty early. Yeah, she's still pretty dark outside. So yeah, we didn't stay out too long last night. Went down and had dinner. Really nice dinner it was. So today we are going to head to Jindabyne, but we're going to go up through Omeo. I think it's called the Kosciuszko Highway, and then back down in past Thredbo, and then Thredbo down into Jindabyne. Should be a really, really good run. This is probably the main run of the trip. A lot of twisties, a lot of climbing elevation, so it might get a bit cool. It should be good. It should be really, really good. So I'll get the bike packed and go around and wake everyone up. A few of the boys are already up actually. They've already gone down and got coffee. I asked them if they can get me one more they're down there. They deliver. And they just wrote extra cream. That's what I was laughing at the text message. So we all know what that means. All right, let's get the bike packed. Oh, good morning, good morning.
Morning. Day 2.
Day 2 it is. Nice and early start. A little bit of a drizzle. Oh, there's the Turk.
Good morning, everybody. I'm actually surprised everyone's awake.
Why? Well, not everyone.
It's never fucking like that. It's always waiting.
It's not everyone. Chris is still in bed, I think. No, Paul's up. Paul's over there. And we're off. First stop, 3 kilometres down the road, get fuel. We're all filled up, so we'll get on the way. Alright, we made it. That was some of the best roads, but the shit conditions. What was the road called? Kosciuszko... Guys? Yeah. Kosciuszko Highway? Yeah, great roads. Shit conditions. Weather was crap. Very slippery in some sections. I've got a little bit of it on film, as you'll see. Nothing special, but I reckon that a nice summer's day, that road would be absolutely sensational. You've got to do it.
Oh, good morning.
Good. Nobody said it. Fuck off. Well, we've got to look after the Turk. He's getting old, so everyone's got to sort of look after him and prepare everything for him. Memory.
Thanks, Bob.
He still calls me a CUNT every morning. He doesn't forget that one. chocolate hedgehog slice. Oh, look at twisties and everything. Beasting. He doesn't like riding in the rain.
Right, we're doing alright. Doing alright today. I'm enjoying today.
Yeah, good.
It's nice. He likes the straw.
Oh, no, thank you.
Put it in your mouth.
Fucking money when you start upgrading.
Yeah, must do.
This is Greg making friends. Doesn't usually talk to people.
You know I'm the editor, right? You can film whatever you want. Ends up on the floor.
He thinks he's not going to put this in, but he will. He will. Now let's listen to Greg's opinion about breakouts and fatties. Considering I ride a fatty, let's see what he has to say about it. See, I don't think that's true because I own a breakout with a 300 and a 23 at the front of it, and I can take corners with ease.
At home fucking broken.
With ease. Just because it has no belt doesn't mean it's broken. Okay?
Broken?
No, it just has no belt. It's because my secretary over there hasn't got me one yet.
So, that was some of the best roads. Omeo Highway, Kosciuszko Highway. Oh, sensational, as you would have seen on the video. The video won't do it justice. As I was saying, I turned the camera off because Timmy is nearly out of fuel. We don't know how bloody far the petrol station is. That's what happens when you bring sports glides along with the tourers. I know the boys in the fatties are going, fucking hell. Let's see what the Turk has to say about that road. What do you think of the road?
Loved it. That was epic.
100%. I agree there. Mr. Gallagher, what did you think of that road?
What do you think?
I think it was a 10 out of 10.
With me in front?
Heaps better. Heaps faster with him in front. No joke, it was good. He had to this morning in his fucking liquid courage. 2 shots of water. So gentlemen, what do you think of that road?
Loved it. Sensational.
Absolute sensational, isn't it, Sue? You got to come up and do it.
What do you think about the next 20 kilometres?
The next 20 Ks are going to be interesting.
We're going to go in echo mode.
You got to clutch him downhill.
How far's Omeo? Go and ask how far Omeo is from here. They would have come that way. Omeo's there. If they say 50 Ks, you're fucked.
You're fucked.
We never leave a man behind unless it's Tim.
Unless it's stick today.
Today anyway.
Sucks to be.
Tim's rescue. I'm still a bit worried about where the other two are.
Oh, they'll be heaps far back. We left them at the start.
They won't be able to corner those corners.
Like where those.
We're still missing the 2 fatties. We've been here now an hour and they're still not here.
Hours since last Saturday.
Yeah.
A bird. At the start of that.
60!
You're fucked.
I thought you said if he says 50.
You're fucking screwed.
More fucked.
Pardon?
If only there was a way of making petrol.
Well, God turned water into wine. Surely the Turk can turn water into fuel. The fatties. The bikes are fatties. Not the riders, the bikes. Had to make sure I was politically correct. You got a stick under you. That's all he needs.
2 litres.
Yeah.
Oh, that's only 3. That's 3. It's about 3.
2.5 litres.
That's heaps. 60 Ks. Not my fucking bike.
It's downhill.
That's downhill, that's it. 100%. Jason to the rescue. So all that means now is for that 3 litres, you've got to fill his whole tank up. If he runs out, he runs out. At least he's closer, he doesn't have to walk as far if he run out. So we've stopped again. Don't know where we are. We're at Paddy's Reserve. Found out where we are. Mitta Mitta. So this is the map. So we've still got 3 hours and 51 minutes to go till we get to Jindabyne. But that is some seriously curvy roads. Fuck yeah. Alright. Let's go and have some lunch, I think. Stopped and had some lunch. Nice. At the old pub down there. Boys are getting ready. Back on the road. Still got another nearly 4 hours and it's 1:30. So yeah. Probably get in just on dark. Let's go. The Turk are waiting for the rest of them. Waiting for Kurt, Paul and all that because they just take forever to get here. They're pretty slow riders, them guys, aren't they? Wait a minute. Oh look, there they are. He's flying! Then it's going to snap and it's... Oh my god! Wow, but look at the view. Honestly, but look at the view. Another stop, quick drink. to my room, and the fucking bloke doing a piss in my toilet.
Hey!
We made it to Jindy.
Nice.
Kookaburra Lodge. You guys ever in Jindy for a motorbike trip or the snow, anything? Stay at the Kookaburra Lodge. They're the loveliest people. We stay here all the time. Not sponsored, not anything. We don't get a discount, but they are just dead set the loveliest people. They have like a lounge room over there. You get to, in winter you can have a fireplace. You can have a fire because they've got a fireplace and everything. Loveliest people. You've got to stay. Best spot ever. If you need to stay at Jindabyne, stay at the Kookaburra Lodge. Slow coaches finally turn up. See what I mean? Can't beat the plus. Did you get wet? Your bikes don't look wet. How good's that road? That road's so good, man. Seen you drinking the fucking water out of the creek.
Beautiful.
We just pissed.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why it tasted good.
Me, we're all three of us are going, oh God, I hope no one drinks this water.
Except I know you cunts don't stop.
I wonder
Then it
why.
fucking exploded in his brain. Who's the
He don't let us.
We had Brumbies like 10.
Hey guys, so we've been out for dinner, back in the room. It was a absolute fantastic day of riding. Absolute fantastic. Got a bit wet this morning, as you would have seen, but part of riding, especially down here. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. I appreciate it. Thank you to all my new subscribers. It's been a fantastic day. I can't say it enough. Anyway, don't forget, keep them throttles twisted, keep the rubber side down, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.
It's alright, we've got the deli in the morning, man. Who's this faggot? Hey! We've got a fag spying on us. Speaking of gay boys.
Hey, good boy.
Is this where all the spa boys are?
Yeah, come over here, I'll show you.
Come.
It's on the editing floor.
Good morning. I mean, good evening.
Welcome to
I'm
day.
in.
Yeah, welcome to day 3. Go on, go. Oh,
It's not day 3 yet.
well, come.
Here shortly.
Nearly.
What is it time?
Day 3 riding.
Oh, yeah.
He's eating a chip. He needs